Hey everybody, I am Kate with Crate Insider, and today I want to bring you the products and show you what's new going into March of 2024. So in this past month, we've added a few products to the store, and the first one we want to take a look at is we have Ware's fixed measuring plate. Now this is really great so you can record the positions of all four of your rear bars. So you can check out the pictures and everything up on our website. And if you want to see a tutorial on how this product works, feel free to drop something into the comments, drop in a comment and let us know what you're interested in. You know, happy to take a look at doing a demo on something like that. Next up, actually in January, well, no, it was the beginning of February, I went and filmed the Race Logic Chassis School's, the Hobby Stock class. And what I learned while I was at that class is that IMCA has now approved headers for hobby stock race cars and not just the manifolds that they've been using for all these years. So I decided to go ahead and list those on the website. I don't stock them, but I will be able to ship them straight from Schoenfeld to your door if you happen to have a hobby stock. And you know, hey, if you're looking for more knowledge on your race car, especially whether it's an IMCA stock car, a hobby stock, or if you're for a metric street stock, and heck, we even have some trainings over there from Crate Late Models last year. You can go to racelogic.vip. I go and film all of those classes. I learn a ton, and it is such amazing information that I would highly recommend that to anybody who's looking for more technical information on how to set up your race car. But back to the new products that we've added, and the next one here is our rotors. We have new rotors from Pro System Brakes. I've known these folks for years and years, really amazing people, and it's really great to see them come out with some brake rotors that are really made for some of our dirt applications. So you can check out, I've got a video that I did with Trent there from Pro Systems. We'll link that up in the top in the cards or in the description. You'll be able to find this and click on over to that. Next up, we also have this brand new pit extension, so an extension for your impact. Right here, this one is the 12-inch and with a hex socket for a 1/2-inch drive. And so we've got this, just added it. I thought it would be a handy tool to have for you right there in the store. So you can pick one of those up. And next up, we have, people have been wanting these for a really long time. And these are copper gaskets. So ProFab reached out and they found a place to make these. So we have copper gaskets for both 602 and for 604. So with this softer metal, it really makes for a really nice tight bond between your engine and your headers. It really works out well for that. And they're reusable, obviously, because they're copper, and then you don't get all that sticky grossness, you know, with using like a silicone or an RTV. You know, even more importantly is you don't end up blocking your intake, the ports. You know, a lot of times if the wrong person does it, it's really easy to use way too much silicone or RTV. So with that being the case, this is the exact right fit between your header flange and with your engine. And then one last thing, just want to mention is we also shot a video this last month talking about the E3 batteries and lithium. So if you're thinking about, you know, if you need a new battery, definitely take another look at lithium. And especially with the E3, those are built to be a lot better longevity than we've seen with other batteries and continue to have really full power. So highly recommend that as well. So hey, if you guys have any requests for what you'd like to see, you know, us carry here at Crate Insider, drop that into the comments. In the meantime, I want to thank you so much for being here, and we'll look forward to seeing you in another video.